Alright guys, real quick. If something in your door handle breaks and you get this and it doesn't open, chances are what happens is this rod came off and it goes up in there and it's held on right up in there by a little plastic clip. And that's this one here. Here's the broken one. You can see where it broke into pieces. A lot of 90s Toyotas use these. And that's the new one. You go right to your Toyota dealership and get this thing. It's about $3. So don't order them online and pay $10 for shipping or anything else. That's the part number that you'll need. And just pop out the broken bit of the old one. And you pop this one in there. Hook up your rod again. And you're done. So that's it. Problem solved. But yeah, they had these in stock and I was surprised. But they almost all 90s Toyotas use these, so apparently they're still in demand. So the guy had gotten 4 of them in just that morning. So yep, there you go, part number. Good luck.